What kind of water filter do you recommend? Say like if you're watering outside and you have tap water. This is a great question because sometimes people are like, hey, why are my leaves turning yellow? It's possibly because you're watering from the tap. So if you're watering your seeds from tap water, just know that it's gonna have fluoride or chlorine or anti-growth hormones in it. I don't have a specific filter that you can use. There's tons. A dechlorinating, defluoridating, just you can it could be like a particle filter, also a carbon filter. You can put a carbon filter on there and that'll help kind of suck all that poisons out. You just want to replace that filter every once in a while. But you can just get it added on to your hose. We're on a well, so we don't really worry about that. We got lots of minerals and magnesium and iron and phosphates in the water here that actually does pretty well. The plants do pretty well with that stuff. They kind of like it. But it's still organic, non-toxic, you know. I do want to get an extra filter just to kind of like filter out any kind of impurities that I may not really want right now, but I feel like it's from the well. It's been filtered by the ground and it comes out clean. Like our well is deep. I think we have